If you're someone who battles with dry, damaged hair and dreams of achieving smooth, healthy-looking locks, then you're going to want to stick around for this review. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts on the ANZA Keratin Healing Oil Trio Hair Kit, a luxury hair care set that promises to restore and rejuvenate even the most stressed out strands. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our honest beauty reviews. ANZA's Keratin Healing Oil Trio features 3 key products designed to give your hair a salon-quality treatment right at home. This set includes the Restorative Lustrous Shampoo, the Keratin Healing Oil Conditioner, and a Keratin Oil Treatment Serum. With the intention of reviving dry, damaged hair, these products boast keratin as the star ingredient, known for its ability to smooth and strengthen the hair shaft while providing a nourishing boost of hydration. Now, let's get into how these products performed during my test run. As someone with naturally dry hair, I was looking for a hair care system that could both hydrate and restore my hair without weighing it down. The shampoo itself is gentle but highly effective at removing buildup, leaving my scalp feeling refreshed without stripping it of its natural oils. The conditioner was a dream. It melted into my hair and made it feel instantly softer and more manageable. But the real showstopper was the Keratin Oil Treatment Serum. This serum not only smells divine, but it also absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It made my hair look glossy, shiny, and full of life, while adding that salon-level smoothness that I rarely get from at-home products. I've used these products for about 2 weeks now, testing them during my daily routine and even after styling with heat tools. One of the things I really appreciate is that my hair doesn't feel weighed down or overly greasy, even when I use the serum daily. And I'll be honest, that's often a problem I've had with other similar treatments in the past. These products offer a good balance of nourishment and volume, something not all hair care systems can manage. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the set is incredibly easy to use. It's just shampoo, conditioner, and a leave-in serum. The packaging is sleek and looks beautiful on any bathroom shelf, making it a great gift option. It's also worth noting that the ingredients are high quality, which is why the price point feels justified. On the flip side, the shampoo could be a bit drying for those with particularly sensitive or super dry scalps. I didn't experience this, but I can see how it could be a minor issue for some people. Now, is this kit worth the price tag? Absolutely, if you have dry, damaged hair, and you're looking to splurge on a quality treatment that delivers visible results. The combination of keratin and nourishing oils works wonders to restore moisture, reduce frizz, and promote shine. In comparison to other luxury hair care products, ANZA stands out in terms of performance. While some high-end brands can leave your hair feeling heavy or greasy, this trio manages to give you salon-quality results without that weighed-down feeling. And considering the set includes full-size products, I'd say it's a great value for anyone serious about repairing and maintaining their hair health. The build quality is excellent, and the products last a long time. After several weeks of use, I'm still seeing the same results as when I first opened the box. The Keratin Healing Oil Treatment Serum has become a staple in my routine, and I'll definitely be repurchasing it once it runs out. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I haven't personally reached out to ANZA, but based on their reputation in the beauty industry, I trust they'd be responsive and helpful should any issues arise with the products. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, I would recommend checking out brands like OGX or Shea Moisture, which also offer nourishing hair treatments with similar key ingredients, but at a lower price point. To wrap it up, this ANZA Keratin Healing Oil Trio Hair Kit definitely lives up to the hype. If you're dealing with dry or damaged hair, and you want something that not only works but also feels luxurious, then this is worth the investment. It's the kind of product that really delivers on its promises. Your hair will feel softer, shinier, and healthier. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.